Welcome to Battle Stuff Motorsports and our first review on exhaust and how to install it and some of the things to look for when you're looking at a new exhaust system. One of the things we're going to talk about is you want to have an exhaust that is compliant for the areas you ride in. If you don't have sound regulations, sky's the limit. But in most situations you do have an area where sound levels are very sensitive. So you want to get an exhaust that is, sounds nice but isn't excessively loud. It can close down trail systems. It has been known to close tracks down, and your race and trail organizations all agree that excessive noise is a bad thing. So my buddy Jake bought this 660 Raptor and it has an excessively loud pipe on it. We're going to measure it using the Motorcycle Industry Council's sound check rule to see what the decibel limit is. We're in Wisconsin, he's going to be riding in Wisconsin primarily, and the sound level should be at 96 decibels or less according to our laws here for trail riding. So let's take a look and see what it comes in at. Okay, so we're going to do this test now. The Motorcycle Industry Council has set up universal regulations for how to check sound on motorcycles, ATVs, UTVs, and alike. And what we need is a sound decibel meter, which we have here. Okay, so from the tip of the exhaust, we're at 45 degrees and at 20 inches. So this is going to give us the basic readout. Okay, for the next part of our test, we need to have the machine at half throttle. So we're going to use an analog tachometer to be at the 3,250 RPMs as specified on the MIC.com website, Motorcycle Industry Council's website. So we're going to go ahead and start it up, put it at about half throttle, and see what the noise level is. All right. Alright, so as you heard and as you saw, that machine was almost illegal at idle. And once we started giving it into the proper RPM range for the test, you're at 105 to 107 decibels. When we cracked the throttle, it was 110, 113, almost 117 decibels, which is extremely loud, and it can actually cause hearing loss at that level. When you're riding machines at such a level, it can actually give you a headache if it resonates through your helmet, or it's bad news all around. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this illegal exhaust and we're going to ditch it for a new FMF exhaust that is the trail legal version, and we'll test it after we install it to see how much the sound difference really is. Alright, so we took off the competition pipe and put on the trail legal FMF Q4 with the power bomb on it, and got it all set up, checked for exhaust leaks, everything's good. It's got a lot of nice deep dark sound, and but it's not excessively loud. So let's take it to the meter and see how it does. Okay, it was a success. As you can see, the exhaust note went from 107 decibels to 95 decibels, or just under. We're at 93, 94, so we'll just round it up to 95 to be safe. And this machine is now trail legal. but it still has the incredible power, has that nice deep exhaust note that everybody craves, but it's not going to shut down any trail systems or tracks. So get your quiet exhaust today from Battle Stuff and or your local dealer, and be sure to ask what the decibel limit is for those competition pipes. This has been another product review. My name is Ryan Harden. We'll see you on the trail.